Hi viewers. So for past few days I have not done any video, and today I want to show last week and this week profit and how our algo is performing. And you can see it is 621 profit, and I will show you fund also. So today 12 trades have taken, and so 15,252 is our capital. Okay, so we have been running it from 12,000. Okay, yesterday we have closed in loss, and I'll show you ledger also. So we'll go to reports and derivative bill summary. So we have been trading from 25th onwards last month, and let's see the ledger. So this is the ledger, and how many days? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days, and today it is 8th day. So in all these 8th day we have been trading, and only yesterday we only has closed this in loss. So but actually the targets hit at around 1:48-1:50 p.m. in the afternoon. Most of the time our targets will hit before 10, around 80% of the time, 80 to 90% of the time. And this strategy is actually 100% winning strategy we have designed with algo. You see here day 1 profit 577. This is after deduction of the trading cost. We are trading with Shunya Finvasia. Second day 542, third day 528, fourth day 962, fifth day 543, again sixth day 942, and seventh day 1204 is the loss. So overall we are in a profit of 2,893 with the investment of actually we planned it for 10,000 only, and so sometimes frequent SL hits, and they may target will come, but by the time the target comes our account will go drawdown up to 3,000 or 4,000. So instead of this we decided to allocate 15,000 per lot. Okay, so this is the ledger, and this is today's profit. We'll go to positions. Okay, and orders we'll see by what time we have got our targets hit. If you see, this time is 10:15. Our exit time is 10:15, 43 seconds it has closed. So completely fully automatic strategy this is, and so all the selections of strike price, targets, stop loss, everything will be done by the algorithm. Okay, so this is our strategy, and if we take percentage wise, almost we are 33% or nearly, I suppose it will be in 2 weeks. 33% is the net return on investment, and we can multiply any number of lots in other any client when they join. Suppose 30,000 if they invest, we can multiply with 2 lots, like that. 10 lots if you want, 1,50,000 is the required capital, and 99% this target will come at any cost by the end of the day, right? Thank you.